Hey, I want to tell you about how you can get free products from companies just for posting simple videos online. I'm just an average guy trying to make $100,000 online only using things like Amazon and YouTube, and I'm posting about it every day until I do. And yesterday on Amazon and my 3 monetized YouTube channels, I made $48, and that's actually only the smaller part of what I made yesterday. In addition to that, I actually made another $90 from companies who gave me free products so that I can test them. In addition to the free product, they also gave me a commission fee. So 3 of the commission fees were for $25 each, and 1 was for $15. So that brings my total from the commission fees and also Amazon and YouTube up to $139 yesterday. Pretty good. It's a pretty good day for me. But to get these free products, all you have to do is start posting review videos online. So post some review videos on YouTube. You simply take a product that you already own and talk about it for a few minutes, and after you post several of these, through this whole process, companies will start seeing that you post these videos online, and they'll start emailing you. If you're doing it on Instagram, then they'll start messaging you through that. And through that, they'll just offer you free products. There's my DJI Neo. I love that little thing. And at first, yeah, I would say just go ahead and take the free product, do the review, because the free product is a free product, right? But then after you've done enough of them, you realize, man, there's a lot of companies who want to do this. And actually you can get paid, not just with the free product, but also just actually money through PayPal. And they'll pay you to make these review videos as well. So don't just settle for the free product, especially if you've been doing this for a while. Start telling them your fee. I usually tell them $50, and then sometimes they'll say, well, I can't do $50, but I can do 30, or they can do 15 or 25. I'm usually pretty open about how much it is. If they'll pay me just about anything, I'll take it, because you have the free product as well. Now, there's a couple of negatives to doing this. One, it is income. So you do have to report this to the IRS. A free product is income. So you look up the price the product typically sells for, and you have to report that as income. Now, if you end up selling the product, you also have to get income from that. So it's actually double income as far as what you report to the IRS. You can donate the product, so that can offset that if you don't want to go through the process of selling it and you don't want to report it as income, so you would take a deduction for the donation. So there's a lot to work out here with the IRS. But all that being said, you really can get free products from companies just by posting simple videos online. Now, in addition to all this, I'm an Amazon influencer, so I get commissions when people watch those videos and then make a purchase. So that's why I reported that Amazon income as well. So if you want to start in this process, the first thing you need to do is get a following on social media of some kind. Like I said, you can start by posting simple review videos of products, and then once that following builds up, you can apply to be an Amazon influencer through Amazon directly, and then you can post those videos directly to Amazon as well. And that'll allow you to get commissions from people who are, already actively searching for those products to buy them. So, hey, all this took time to build up, but if I can do it, you can do it too. I'm just an average guy.